These are critical cameras.
Ms. Sotochukwu Madwaku, a journalist. Madwaku, a journalist with Arise News, and Mr. Barnabas Danlami, a security guard attached to the premises. First and foremost, we would like to condole with the families of the deceased, and we sincerely pray that God will give them the strength and fortitude to bear the loss. Following that ugly incident, the FCT Police Command swung into action, commenced investigation towards apprehending the criminals behind that robbery incident. It was a well-coordinated and intelligence-driven investigation. And through the diligent efforts of operatives of the command, we are pleased to announce to Nigerians that today we have 12 suspects in custody. Suspects that have been confirmed to be linked to that robbery incident. We have Shamsuddin Hassan, Hassan Isa, Abubakar Alkamu, Sani Surajo, Mashkor Jamilu, Suleiman Badamasi, Abdul Salam Saleh, Zahara Din Muhammad, Musa Adamu, Sumaya Muhammad, Isa Abdurrahman, Musa Uba. 12 of them, like I did say. You can see the suspects seated right there. 9 of them are here. In case you are wondering, just 9 of them. The remaining 3 are in hospital. Sorry? I can talk without the mic. Thank you very much. As you can see, we have 12 of the suspects. We have 9 out of the suspects here. 3 of them are in hospital receiving treatment for wounds sustained during their arrest. In case you are wondering why we are parading these suspects, despite our stand and policy on not parading suspects, is because this is actually a public interest story. We would like to make Nigerians see that the Nigeria Police Force delivered on its promise to get these suspects arrested. Also recovered from the suspects 1 locally fabricated AK-47 rifle, 1 locally made pistol, 1 pump action rifle, 36 live rounds of 9mm ammunition, 2 live cartridges, 4 mobile phones, 2 knives, 1 cutlass, and 2 flashlights. All of the exhibits are also on display there. And our investigation also revealed that Shamsuddin Hassan was the particular suspect that fired the shots that killed Mr. Barnabas Danlami. Our investigation was also carried out into identifying the source of their weapons. We are yet to arrest a suspect in that regard, but we have very credible leads we are working on. We already know the location of some of the gun runners and suppliers, and we assure Nigerians that in our subsequent updates we will be able to tell you how far we have come in that regard. I would like to assure Nigerians that this is not just arrest. It doesn't stop there. These suspects will definitely and most definitely be prosecuted as soon as we wrap up our investigation. Justice must be served. Ms. Sotochukwu and Mr. Barnabas must get justice this time. And we would also like the Nigeria Police Force, under the leadership of IGP Kayode Adeolu-Egbetokun, would like to assure Nigerians that the force would continue to do everything within its power. The force would continue to deploy all human and operational resources as optimally as possible to ensure that their safety and security remains remains paramount, remains non-negotiable. And we also use this opportunity to call on members of the public to continue to remain vigilant and continue to support the police with timely and credible information that will aid the police in the prevention and detection of crime. Thank you very much. I would like to take some questions before we take our leave. Do we have any question? Before you today, I've not just been found through investigation to be responsible for only the robbery that happened in Mabushi area. Our investigation has also shown that they are behind some robberies that have taken place in places like Apo, Zuba, and some other parts of FCT, Gwagwalada, and some other parts of FCT. And that's we are also extending our investigations into that, and that's why I said earlier that as soon as we wrap up investigation, they will be prosecuted. So these are some of the suspects for some of these crimes you have talked about. That aside, you would agree with me that just a few weeks back, we told Nigerians of our achievements. We arrested over 4,000 suspects all over the country. This happened when the IGP had this conference with senior officers, commissioners of police. So the point I'm making here is that most of these suspects have been arrested. You see, crime is dynamic. You arrest suspects and new criminals come up. It's a global thing. It's not a Nigerian thing. The more you arrest suspects, the more criminals. But the main point here is that we try our best to be ahead of criminals, to be on top of our games. So in as much as you have said, oh, there are some criminals that terrorize some parts of Abuja, I'm also making it clear, I'm emphasizing that we have also arrested quite a number of criminals, and just like we have done today, and definitely they will be prosecuted, and definitely justice will be served. So Nigerians once again need to believe in the police. The Inspector General of Police have given marching orders, not just for FCT, but for the entire country, has given marching orders that everything must be done to ensure that the safety and security of Nigerians remains sacrosanct. Do we have any other question? In the absence of any other questions, thank you for coming. Thank you once again.
Valeu.